Welcome back. Today's menu are eggs. These mysterious answers to dig everything up. The ingredients are eggs, clay, mixer, jar, milk, salt and pepper, butter, and a pan. Let's start. First the eggs. Go. Thanks, mysterious hands. And more, I think. Let's add the milk. Now for the salt and pepper. Now it's time to mix. Stir your hand, put the butter on the pan. Good, now rubber around. Yes, add that. It's delicious. Make sure it doesn't touch the sides. Correct? Correct. Now enjoy and wait for the next video. It's good. Welcome back. Today's menu are brownies. The ingredients are a brownie mix, a container, bowl, fat, and butter, and a spoon. First egg looks perfect. Now vanilla, water, and mix. Mix it all of it. Water, oil. Next stir. Looks delicious. Mix your jar to a dough. Now to grease up the pepper pan. Make sure it's like this and get the sides real good. Now you pour the brownie mix into the... Okay, there we go. There we go. Put it in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. And that's how to make brownies. The end. See you next time. Bye. Follow, like, whatever. What's just up? Bye. TikTok. I'm gonna be making strawberry milk with you. The ingredients are milk, strawberry syrup, whipped cream, and a cup. Let's pour some milk. It looks yummy. Now it's time for the strawberry syrup. Next, get a spoon. Get some whipped cream. Looks delicious. Now it's time to stir again. And then you got the delicious strawberry milk. Looks delicious. Okay, so press the plus and like and comment. Welcome back. We are here making a fruit smoothie. Now it's time to see the ingredients. Blueberries, a blender, strawberries, cup, one for me, one for Gander, banana, sweet honey, orange juice, yogurt. Let's go. Now for some frozen yogurt. It's okay if you let it melt. Now frozen fruit of mango, pineapple, and strawberries and more. After wipe your hand. Now blueberries. Now honey. Now for the last ingredient. Probably this much of orange juice. Now let's start blending. Ready, guys? Looks good. Thanks, mysterious hands, and enjoy. Gander! Today I'm gonna make this delicious shake and I'll show you the reaction for some reason because it's expensive, I think. Does that boy look good? It does. Let me taste it out, yeah. It's delicious. Come and make this if you know the recipe, which you will never know.